Alright guys, what's up? It's a Friday. My parts came in, got the spark plug and a CCC valve. I know that video took forever to get out, but whatever. So right now, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all like basically how to hook it up, just little steps. Video not gonna be that long, try not to make it that long. But right now, I'm gonna show you some stuff that I'm gonna just take off and something that I have to run to the store and go get, since when I came back I see it leaking. So first thing is this cord, like I said in my last video, it's supposed to go to this thing, but the previous person that fixed my car, I don't know what the fuck he did with it, and he said he was supposed to give me another one. He never got me one, so I'm gonna just take it off, just take this bolt off, take that off, and just get it out of there, because I'm tired of it being open. It just shorted out last video when I tried to put it on there. And also, if you can see right there, got water, antifreeze leaking out, so it's coming from this one right here. And I noticed that I have been leaking fluid, so I'm gonna see if I can run to the store and get some I'm pretty sure it's just some O-rings that you can replace for these right here. That's about it. I don't even know why BMW went to these little plastic tubings from the M50s, just having like the little nipple in there. Well, I know M52s had them too, but it's whatever. I'll run to the auto parts store, see what I can get real quick. If I would have known that before, I would have got that shit yesterday. Cause it's just like when I got home, I just seen water on the ground. Just like, whoop, she's pissing again. So right now, I'm gonna take this off, and I guess I'll just set you up for a time lapse, I guess. Take that off and then get the packaging and start putting stuff together. I'll be right back. Alright, so right now you want to get 10mm bolts and take these off right here. Oops. So I got two 25mm bolts right here. Well, screws. Try not to like cross thread these because they're easy to be cross threaded. Now, you can put your intake back on. Alright guys, what's up? It's amazing what you can find when you clean up your garage. I just found this tent. So now, while I was waiting for my dad to get the hose for me on the other side of town, and I met him halfway, we got the heater hose that was messed up. So got it on there. Next thing I gotta do is tighten it. Make sure I tighten this oil bolt right here, this oil banjo bolt. And then I took that if you want to jump it, I guess the little starter wire or whatever, took that off, tighten that up. Now I'm gonna tighten up this bolt, then tighten up this banjo fitting. This is a 3/4 socket. You can use a open end 3/4, and then this right here is like a 10. Tighten that up, pop it out. Mine's was real brittle. Show you mine's right here. They get eaten up pretty bad from the water and stuff like that. But this time I got distilled water instead of using regular water, because this is what used to cause my car to leak a little bit of antifreeze. So now that we got that fixed, we should be straight. So I might later on, when I get back on the other side of town, might order this one too, because I want to change this one out as well. So that's just for another day. I should be good how it is now. So right now, let me tighten that up, and then tighten up that banjo fitting for the oil line. Let me see if I can set you up like that. I can't really see because of the damn sun. Wish I had a tripod. Be a lot better. I'll just come back when I tighten it up and I'll show y'all. Alright, well, I tried to set it up to where I can get y'all to see me do it, but I can't because of the light. The sun is so bright right now, and it's like facing towards here, so the camera won't adjust. But anyway, I'm about to put the intake on. I can tighten up all of these. It's very simple from here. If you put that on right, then the only thing is you got to hook up that hose to the oil. Oh, you can't see it. It's an oil return line right there on the oil dipstick. Just hook up that hose, and then make sure you plug up all the sensors up under the car, and up under the intake, oil filter, sensor, all of that stuff. Just make sure that you plug it up in the right spot. I mean, most likely if it doesn't fit, if the plug doesn't go on, then that's just not the one. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the intake on. Oh yeah, I already changed the spark plugs while I was waiting on that hose. I already changed them out, put these on there. I think somewhere down the line I'm gonna get some new coils for it, because I'm just trying to keep this engine running as long as possible until I can get some money and for an LS swap, because I really want to throw LS in here at some point. You know, I got my E30 right now that I'm worried about. I'm not really worried about this car. Just this is my daily. Need her to get me around. So then yeah, I'm gonna do this, and then I'll start it up, and then I'm gonna show you in another video on how to change oil, because I'm gonna do the oil change today, but it's just gonna be a separate video. So let me hook this up. Alright, well, I got everything back together, got all this tightened down, got all that tightened down, got everything hooked up. Now let's start it up and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. No? First start in a minute. Uh-oh. That good man has been sent for a little bit. Still gotta check engine light. Find out what it is in a minute. Like I said before, it was misfiring real bad. So I'm gonna let it run like this for a minute real quick, and then I'm gonna go get the jack stands and stuff. Yeah, see, it smoothed itself out. It's running pretty good. I don't hear nothing. So, you know, if you have an oil, like if you feel like, yeah, if your car is burning oil like a lot, like after, like if you drive like 500 miles and you down 2 quarts or anything like that, it's your CVC valve. That's the only thing I know of. So I feel like you should change that. And then if, I don't know, you might have like a little O-ring, the O-ring on the, not the O-ring, the piston ring, the oil control ring on one of your pistons are probably bad. Other than that, with M50s or M52s, M54s, most likely that's the problem, is the CVC valve. Now I know a lot of people delete the CVC valve on the CCV valve on the M50s and M52s. They do like a delete for those. Now with M54s, I don't know. I haven't tried it. I did it on my M52 for my E36, and it ran really well, and I didn't have any problems with any of that. So, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm tired. It's hot. I had to run and go get that heater hose, and just too much. I was planning on doing this in the morning, get it over with, because it was kind of cool. Now it's hot. So now I'm gonna just change my oil. And peace out. See y'all guys later.